Laura Nickerson, giving you the buzz on local news and events. Paramount Ranch in the Santa Monica Mountains sustained some serious damage during the Woolsey fires, but it's making a comeback. So let's find out what they're up to while I fill you in on the buzz. You can't look around here at Paramount Ranch and not be devastated by all the damage done by the Woolsey fire. What structures did you lose?
We lost, heartbreakingly, a lot of structures in the fire, and particularly the vast majority of Western Town. But we were fortunate in that 2 structures were saved in the fire. The first one is a chapel that was built for HBO's Westworld, and the second one was Dr. Quinn's train depot. Those 2 structures, we're very happy that they survived because they still allow people to see a bit of Western Town even with all this wreckage.
Hey there, partner. While I'm waiting here for their train to pass on by, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about our City of Calabasas 4th of July celebration. Take your family and your friends to the City of Calabasas' 4th of July fireworks celebration at the Calabasas High School. It's always a great party with food, activities, live music, and an amazing fireworks display. Make a day of it by signing up for the morning fun run, pet show, and pool party around the Tennyson Swim Center. Get your info and tickets now on that fancy interweb at cityofcalabasas.com. You better make it to this party here. I tell you, the whole town's going to be there. It's going to be incredible. So what kind of restoration efforts are going on, and how are those being funded?
A lot of the restoration efforts are a lot of the trail work, because a lot of the trails were damaged in the fire as well as the following rain. We had trail crews working around the clock and even today to help restore a lot of the trail systems that were damaged. Beyond that, we will be cleaning up this wreckage here at Western Town. The reason it is taking a while is because we have to consider it hazardous materials, which makes it a complicated process. But that will take place this fall. And the rebuilding efforts has started the second we found out the fire burned down Western Town. And that is where we, as well as our partner organization, the Santa Monica Mountains Fund, are working with experts from the film industry to work on a new design for this Western Town. And the funds for all of this are coming from post-fire emergency funds for trail work. For rebuilding efforts, we are anticipating federal funds to help us rebuild the event barns that were unfortunately lost in the fire, along with the restrooms. But a lot of the other funds are coming through a really fantastic fundraising effort that was geared towards rebuilding out here by our partner organization, the Santa Monica Mountains Fund. They created the Paramount project solely for this. And it is still going on, and we're very humbled by the response for that.
I've got a little trivia for you. What came first, the City of Calabasas or the Calabasas Historical Society? It's the latter, and they're celebrating their 40th year with quite the party. The party takes place on Wednesday, July 3rd from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Calabasas Library. Hear historical stories from the past, view the special collection room, look at old photos, and share your stories. Refreshments and history will both be served. The Calabasas Historical Society was founded in 1979, and the City of Calabasas was incorporated in 1991. There's a little history for you. And in local news, City of Calabasas Dodger Night took place at Dodger Stadium, and the city was well represented by residents, city staff, the city council, and resident Samantha Shapiro, who performed the national anthem on her saxophone. At a recent city council meeting, they recognized student Adam Mahoden for his volunteerism for the Calabasas Library. Congratulations are in order for the CHS boys tennis team. They took home the win at the CIF Championship. Heads up, applications for California's 33rd Congressional District's Youth Advisory Council are open and will be accepted through Friday, July 19th at 5 p.m. The YAC will work directly with staff in Congressman Ted Lieu's office to collaborate on key issues for young people in California's 33rd District. Students in 9th through 12th grade that live or attend school in the district are eligible to apply. Call Aurelia Friedman at 323-651-1040 or visit cityofcalabasas.com for more information. And that's our local news. Who doesn't love a good birthday celebration? Well, the Calabasas Senior Center is turning 3 years old, and they want you to party with them. Swing by the Calabasas Senior Center on Tuesday, June 25th between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. to enjoy a piece of birthday cake and celebrate the 3rd anniversary of the Calabasas Senior Center's ribbon cutting ceremony and building dedication. The CSC has provided classes, lectures, and excursions to its over 646 members. That's a lot of happy seniors. If people want to find out more about events that are happening here, if they want to participate in maybe donating a little money to help it out, or maybe come out here and take a hike, how do they find more information?
They can find a lot of information on our partner's website, the Santa Monica Mountains Fund, and that is samofund.org. And I'll spell that out. That's SAMOFUND.org. And if people have any other questions, they're always welcome to call our visitor center at King Gillette Ranch and ask any of our amazing rangers.
Thank you so much. You can also find them on Facebook and Twitter and all that. You're very social media savvy. Thank you for chatting with me today, and we're really looking forward to seeing what comes next year.
We are looking forward to it as well, and thank you very much.
Has your spring cleaning unsprung? Well, clean out your garage or your closet by becoming a vendor at the community flea market. They still have booths available for the July 13th event. The Agora Hills Calabasas Community Center will hold its annual community flea market on Saturday, July 13th from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. This one-stop shop will feature clothing, jewelry, vintage accessories, furniture, knickknacks, and so much more. For information or to sign up for a booth space, contact Jen Ferguson at jenna@ahccc.org. It's a great way to get rid of those things that don't bring you joy. So as you can see, Paramount Ranch is open for business. Come on by. You can have a picnic or a hike or just enjoy a little bit of Hollywood history. For more information on upcoming events, visit samofund.org. I'm Laura Nickerson, and I'll see you soon right here on The Buzz.